In this video, I'll show you how to set up Perplexity AI as your default digital assistant. I'll show you two ways you can do that. Now, go to your phone and tap on the Perplexity AI. You can see that I'll tap on that. When it opens, go at the top left-hand corner, tap on the profile icon there. So I'll tap on it. Tap on the settings at the top left-hand corner. I'll tap on that. Scroll down to find Enable Assistant. There it is. Tap on Enable Assistant. You will see here the Digital Assistant app is set to Google. Tap on that. Okay, and here you will see that the AI assistant is optimized here for Google. Right, so just tap on the Perplexity. So if I go backward, you will see that Digital Assistant app is now set to Perplexity. That's how to use it. If you don't have Perplexity AI installed on your phone, it's fine. Go to your Galaxy store, tap on it and install it. Or you go to your Play Store and install it. The second way to set up Perplexity AI as your default digital assistant is go to the settings and tap on it. Scroll down to advanced features. There it is, tap on it. Now tap on side button. You would see the long press, tap on long press. You'll see already digital assistant is set to Google, tap on long press. There you would see that the digital assistant here is set to Google. Okay, that's fine. Now tap beside it the settings icon there. Here you will find the Perplexity AI. Just put a tap on it. And that's it. If I go backwards now, you will see that the digital assistant is now set to Perplexity AI. And that's it. Now let's go to Perplexity AI. Tap on it. Now you can use it. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video.